Hello, you guys. Welcome to Stash Smash Saturday! I apologize for this going up late tonight, possibly Sunday morning. It's kind of already late in the afternoon that I'm doing this on the day that it's supposed to be due. I got into a cleaning mode in my scrap room and a reorganization mode, and let me tell you, I found some things from like way back when. I got rid of some things, I moved some things around. Things just look refreshed and cleaner, and I feel like things that I want are at my fingertips easier. I don't know. It feels good. It feels good. So I got distracted and did not scrapbook. But today is Stash Mash Saturday. I'm starting with a new kit. So what I decided is I'm going to try and tackle some of the bigger ones that I have instead of all these smaller ones. I had bought, I think, pretty much the whole collection of Jen Hadfield The Avenue. So I have a lot of that left over. 5 12x12s, a bunch of 6x8s, a bunch of embellishments, and I'm gonna throw in these 3 wood grain color vibe by Simple Stories as well, just because they're the only 3 left in the pack, so I was able to get that pack out of my stash, and I want to use them up, and this collection goes really well with wood grain, so it works out. But we are going to play with this, and in fashion with BabyGotScraps, I think I'm going to start with all the scraps that I have first for this collection and try and get some of them used up as well. So I have my 7 items that Rebecca has issued me that I have to try and choose 5. I just recently got a Misfit box from MK's shop. I actually got it from when she was still on Etsy in December, and so I got this awesome cut file in there. So I think I'm going to use this as one of my items because I have 7 items that Rebecca has told me I should try and grab from my stash or make from my stash or use from my stash or create on my page. I have to have a page border, flowers or foliage, a hidden element, shaker, monogram, cut file, and frames. I've got some wood veneer frames in here. I'm guessing when, Rebecca, you say monogram, you just mean a letter, right? So I could do M for our last name or the first letter of all of our names or something. Just okay. Because I have thickers, so we've got lots of things to work with. I've got lots of flowers and foliage. I for sure will do a page border. I almost do on every page. Cut file. So I think the only things we're not going to do are a shaker and a hidden element. I just don't know if I'll make a shaker or do a hidden element. But I need to find a photo. So let me go find a photo, and then we'll start arranging some things on the page and figure out what the heck we want to do, and we'll go from there. All right, I've gutted one of the darker wood grain, and I trimmed down the plaid pattern paper. I matted my photo in this blue and then the wood grain as well, and I just realized that the dotted line from the tear out is still there. Whatever. I'm just kind of arranging the scraps together. To get some layers of this black and white, and then we've got this pop of blue. I think we're gonna do. I didn't need to glue that down. Off that, and then trim off I think just trim off here. And then I want to put like this at the bottom. I want to tuck this pattern somewhere as well. But it almost, I don't know, it almost looks like it's done, you know? If I did at the top of that. Trying to decide if I need any more blue anywhere. And then I gotta tuck this cut file in somewhere. Kind of like that, just like that. Do I want a strip of bees right here? That actually might be kind of cute. Trying to decide if this is actually what I want. I have other cut files sitting over here too. Let's see. Let's break out the frames since we need to use those. We've already got foliage on, so we don't need to worry about that. What do we need? Frames and a monogram. Just looking through the ephemera. I wonder. I think this is going to be a pretty simple layout. Maybe I don't do that one. Maybe I do this one. I think I need to get a different cut file. I don't think this is going to do what I want it to do. I didn't find anything immediately without having to dig like crazy. So I decided I'm just gonna tuck it in. I think I'm gonna trim this one circle off. So we're gonna do one circle short. Which means I need to trim there. Here, here, and then I need to trim that inside out. All right, I got that glued down. I tucked this tab in. I put this best day on some blue pattern paper and then trimmed it out so that it just brought a little bit more blue. I backed my frame with one of the branding strips, which I thought was really cool. I grabbed this ephemera piece that actually says thanks on it. And apparently the sticker is going to be stickier than I thought. And I just covered it up. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. With enjoy today. And then I have my PJ. Oh, I was going to do an ampersand. Does it have an ampersand? Yes. If it'll fit. P, J, and J. This part does not want to stay glued down. Okay. So then I've got my monogram, I've got a frame, I've got a page border, we've got florals and foliage, I've got a cut file. I just don't have an element or shaker. So there we go. That is what I wanted. So I was going to then write the date in a white gel pen. Okay. I think that wraps that up. Got some pops of blue places. Used a lot of black and white papers. I like this. It turned out cute. And I got kind of an embellishment area there, and then I've got this. I think I might too. We'll go through. We can go through the sticker book a little bit more and see if we see anything else. Honestly, I don't know. We've got all of those. Oh yeah, I was gonna put some bees. Just because they're cute.
What did one saggy boob say to the other saggy boob?
Oh.
We better get some support around here before people think we're nuts.
That was good.